Good morning, Logan. I'm at S. Gallo.
And I'm at Ali Gump. Welcome to Logan Live. Today is Throwback Thursday, May 16, 2013.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
The Logan Health Center presents the Health Fair. Swing by Colt Court May 23rd during both lunches for music, games, and prizes, all for free.
Logan Drama presents 24th Annual Festival of One-Act Plays. 6 students directed shows, all presented with ASL interpretation, Saturday, May 18th at 2 p.m. and 7 p.m. in the Little Theater. Tickets are $5 and $7.
Seniors, if you have not finished paying for grad night and still wish to go, see Miss Walton ASAP for further details.
Senior picnic tickets are being sold every day at lunch in the main office. Tickets are $20. All seniors going must have a permission slip on file. If you purchase the senior package, you still must go to the window to get the slip and ticket.
Join other movie makers at the film club meeting today after school in room 68A.
Attention all students signed up for AP US History next year. There will be a meeting with information about the AP US History class for next year on Wednesday, May 22nd. You'll receive the summer assignment and more information about the class at this meeting.
You should attend the meeting during 4th period lunch in room 71 with Miss Lombardi or 5th period lunch in room 454 with Mr. Henderson.
If you cannot make the meeting, please drop by to Miss Lombardi or Mr. Henderson's sometime after Wednesday, May 22nd.
Powder Puff Rally and game is tomorrow. The rally will be at lunch in the pavilion and the game is Friday night at 7 p.m. Tailgate party starts at 5. Cost of the game is $5. Who will win?
From now on, yearbooks will be sold in room 67 after school only. Yearbooks are $85 with ASB and $95 without ASB. Oh, and Jonathan with your Giddy Up Sports Update.
Morning, Logan. This is Jonathan with your Giddy Up Sports Update. Congratulations to the JV girls swim team for placing 3rd at MVAL Championships over the weekend. Not to be outdone, the JV boys placed 2nd. Other highlights from the meet include 9th grader Supriya Sharma taking 1st place in the league in 200. She shattered Logan's old record with her time and qualifies to represent us at NCS. Our team captain, Dustin Lamb, is now the fastest butterfly in Logan history with a time of 54.86 seconds. Logan Swimming had a great season, and we want to wish our best Supriya Sharma, Antoinette Loya, Choki Valley, Emily Fletcher, Eric Lee, Dustin Lamb, Matthew Wang, Daniki, David Zhao, and Gio Graham as they represent us at NCS this Friday. The track and field team had MVAL's championship last weekend at Washington High School. The team had a lot of surprises, but they were able to run away with the championship. Jeffrey Protho is #1 in the North Coast section this year. Congrats, Jeff. Keep it up. Carson Wethington is ranked #2 for the long jump, and Rufus Wallow ranked #6 in NCS. Congrats, Colts.
And here is Woody's words for some wisdom.
Morning, Logan. I'm Woody with a few words to say. Today's quote comes from the brainiac Albert Einstein. Everyone is a genius, but if you judge a fish on its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid. In other words, I'm hungry. With something to think about, when's lunch?
That's Logan Live for May 16th, 2013. To see a recording of today's show and more student-produced videos, go to logantv.net.
Go out there and make it a great day.
Or not.
The
choice
is
yours.